Welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Bringing the drama home. French Baroque meets emerald and gold. French Baroque design is iconic for a reason. It's bold, luxurious, and unapologetically glamorous. But translating that palace energy into a cozy home? That's the creative challenge we love. And we found the perfect starting point. A lush jewel-toned damask wallpaper in emerald green and gold. It's the hero piece that does the heavy lifting, delivering instant drama and a rich historical vibe. We'll show you how to balance it to create spaces that are opulent yet oh so inviting. Get ready to give every corner of your home a lavish conversation-starting update. Let's explore. Start the story before anyone even steps inside. Picture a classic stone or pale stucco exterior with those quintessential French Baroque elements. A mansard roof, arched windows, and maybe a modest, ornate pediment over the door. Keep the exterior paint soft, a creamy white or light gray. Then, frame those windows with shutters painted in that same deep emerald green from our wallpaper. For the garden, think structured elegance. Boxwood hedges trimmed into low parterres, those fancy flowing patterns, feel historically right. Add bursts of color with gold-toned marigolds or creamy white hydrangeas. A simple gilded sundial or a weathered stone bench completes the vignette, hinting at the luxury within. You step inside and bam, the first hit of that gorgeous wallpaper. Cover the main wall or a focal point in the emerald and gold damask. It instantly sets a rich, welcoming tone. Balance it with wainscoting or paneling painted in a soft cream on the lower half of the walls. For furniture, a sturdy darkwood console table with curvaceous, cabriole legs is perfect. Top it with an ornate gold leaf-framed mirror, the bigger the better, to bounce light around. Underfoot, a vintage-inspired rug with hints of burgundy or navy adds depth. This is where you live, so let's make it sumptuous but snug. Use the wallpaper on a single accent wall behind the sofa to create a throne-like backdrop. Choose a large, deeply comfortable sofa in a creamy velvet or a neutral linen to keep things light. Armchairs in a complementary patterned fabric. Think gold brocade or a small-scale floral. Add variety. For tables, look for pieces with gilded bases or intricate wood carving. Drape a throw in emerald green over the sofa arm. Lighting is key. A crystal chandelier or gilded sconces provide that necessary sparkle. Finally, layer in textures with a plush rug, heavy silk curtains in gold or cream, and piles of art books on the coffee table. We want drama but also deep, restful sleep. Applying the wallpaper to the wall behind the bed creates an instant, breathtaking headboard. Pair it with the other walls in a soothing cream or a very pale, dusty sage green. The bed itself should be a statement, an upholstered bed frame in cream or gold fabric, or a dark wood frame with a carved ornate crest. Bedding is your chance to play. Think cream-colored linen sheets, an emerald velvet quilt, and golden cream silk pillows. For nightstands, gilded cabinets or marble-top tables work beautifully. Keep lighting soft with crystal table lamps, and add a touch of romance with flowing floor-length curtains. This room is made for theatrical gatherings. Go all in and paper all 4 walls for a truly immersive jewel box effect. Your dining table should be substantial dark, aged oak with a robust carved base. Contrast it with elegant Louis XVI style chairs upholstered in emerald green or gold velvet. Overhead, a breathtaking crystal chandelier is non-negotiable. It's the crowning jewel. A large ornate gold mirror will amplify the candlelight during evening dinners. On the table, use creamy china, gold-rimmed glasses, and a lush, low centerpiece of white roses and greenery. It's all about creating a sense of occasion, even for Tuesday night pasta. Yes, even the kitchen can get a Baroque whisper. Instead of full walls, use the wallpaper as a backsplash behind open shelves, or in a tucked-away breakfast nook. Cabinets painted in a rich, deep green or a warm cream are gorgeous. Pair them with brass or antique gold hardware and faucets. Countertops in marble or a marble-look quartz with soft veining keep it light. Open shelves are perfect for displaying white ceramic jugs, gold-rimmed bowls, and well-used copper pots. A rustic wood island or table adds necessary warmth and texture. The goal is a kitchen that feels collected and elegant, not overly matched or stark. End the tour with a dose of petite luxury. Using the wallpaper here, in a moisture-resistant version of course, feels deliciously indulgent. Apply it to the wall behind a freestanding tub or above chair rail paneling. A vintage-style vanity with a marble top and a gilded, carved mirror leans into the theme. Fixtures in brushed gold or oil-rubbed bronze will complement the wallpaper's metallic tones. Keep towels plush and in a spectrum of creams, whites, and sage greens.